English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2. Eccentric, fist, originate from. Eccentric. Eccentric is an adjective. C2 learners usually know eccentric. Eccentric describes someone who behaves in a strange or unusual way. Here are some examples. People know him for his eccentric behaviour. She may be eccentric, but she'll contribute well in this group. Most of the characters in the book were eccentric, one way or another. Fist. Fist is a noun. C2 learners usually know fist. A fist is a hand curled into a ball, with the thumb and fingers curled tightly together. Here are some examples. Clench your fingers until you make a fist. He drove his fist towards his opponent's torso. She clenched her fists tightly and waited for him to leave the room. Originate from. Originate is a verb. C2 learners usually know originate from. To originate from means to come from a place or person, or to begin during a particular period of time. Here are some examples. The word originates from the Latin lapsus. He sounds Spanish, but he originates from Italy. It is new to this country, but the llama originated from South America. Now write some of your own sentences with eccentric, fist and originate from. Download the free C2 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.